Let's do some practice on current tax expense. Well, in this scenario, what we see that sample company earns profit before tax, that is 300,000 for the year ending on 31st December 2020. And the depreciation expense while arriving at this profit is 10,000, which was obviously subtracted from the sales revenue along with the other expenses, and then we reached at this 300,000 profit. Well, whereas the taxation rules allow a full amount of asset of 50,000 as deductible expense in arriving at the taxable profit figure. So in a way, this is creating a difference. Okay. In this scenario, our focus is to calculate current tax expense. Therefore, we will not talk about this difference in this scenario. We will talk about this difference in the scenario where we will be practicing deferred tax expense. So wait for that time. Okay, 30% is income tax rate, which we will apply on taxable profit. And the requirement is that we have to calculate current tax expense for the year ending on 31st December 2020, and we have to pass accounting entry to record provision for current tax for the year 2020. Let's see. We have step 1 in which we will calculate taxable profit. We have accounting profit with us that we know very well that is coming from the statement of profit or loss. We will add back this depreciation that we have charged during the year as per IAS 16, and we will subtract the amount of capital allowance which was in fact 100% allowed by the tax rules as an expense. So this is also known as tax depreciation. अकाउंटिंग डेप्रिसिएशन को ऐड बैक कर देंगे, टैक्स डेप्रिसिएशन को माइनस करेंगे, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा टैक्सेबल प्रॉफिट. बाय द वे, ये सिनेरियो सिर्फ डेप्रिसिएशंस को एग्जाम्पलीफाई कर रहा है. इसके अलावा और भी बेशुमार ऐसे एक्सपेंस हो सकते हैं दैट वी हैव चार्ज टू आवर स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट लॉस ड्यूरिंग द ईयर which were not allowed, whereas the amount that was allowed by the tax authorities would be subtracted. तो यूं हम जो अलाउएबल नहीं होंगे एक्सपेंसेस उनको हम ऐड बैक कर रहे होंगे, जो अलाउएबल होंगे उनको हम माइनस करेंगे, तो हमारे पास टैक्सेबल प्रॉफिट की एक अमाउंट आ जाएगी. उस टैक्सेबल प्रॉफिट पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इनकम टैक्स रेट एंड वी विल गेट दिस करंट टैक्स एक्सपेंस ऑफ 78,000. All right. So after doing this working, we see what accounting entry we have to pass to record or recognize this income tax expense. That is income tax expense debit, statement of profit loss में इसका expense appear होगा, and provision for current tax, which is in fact current liability, would be credited with 78,000. So यूं हम इसकी accounting entry pass करेंगे. वेल, करंट टैक्स की कैलकुलेशन के बारे में जो बात हमें जहन में रखना है वो क्या है कि करंट टैक्स इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द टैक्सेबल प्रॉफिट्स फॉर द ईयर, एंड टैक्सेबल प्रॉफिट्स आर कैलकुलेटेड बाय एडिंग बैक द एक्सपेंसेस व्हिच आर नॉट अलाउएबल बाय द टैक्स अथॉरिटीज एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द एक्सपेंसेस व्हिच आर अलाउएबल बाय टैक्स अथॉरिटीज in replacement of the expenses which were not allowed. ये इसका एक rule of thumb ज़हन में रखिएगा. Thank you.